Strawberry cake. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Oh, looky there. My gorgeous, gorgeous bow. One box of super moist strawberry cake mix. Strawberry Jello, 3 ounces. We're going to use the whole pack. Four eggs. Half a cup of vegetable oil or butter. 1 cup of milk. Sucker, good old mix. Kind of pan, it doesn't matter what kind of pan it is, a 9x8, a 9x9, whatever. I like making mine in this. I call it a butt pan. Use some fresh strawberries. We're going to dice up 1 cup. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the quick and easy way to do this. Get you a little kettle, because we're going to put this sucker on the stove on medium-high heat. You're going to put them on medium-high heat. We're going to cook them down to a paste. Remove from the heat. Get you some kind of bowl. We're going to put it over into there and let it completely cool. Of cream cheese. 8 tablespoons of butter. Mine's salted butter. Room temp. You're going to mix that up really good. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. 4 cups of powdered sugar. What it's going to look like. Get your strawberries. And then just start mixing. Mix really good. Get your cake, let it cool. This is optional. Get you some strawberry glaze. Get you some strawberries. And refrigerate. It has to stay refrigerated.